Hello and welcome to WassupBot, your ultimate WhatsApp marketing solution. As a business owner, managing your WhatsApp marketing efforts can be time-consuming and overwhelming. You need a solution that streamlines your workflow and helps you connect with your customers more effectively. WassupBot is designed to simplify your WhatsApp marketing experience. With our intuitive interface, you can easily manage your contacts, send messages, create and export groups, and design chatbots to automate your customer interactions. Let's take a closer look at what WassupBot has to offer. User-friendly interface. Navigate our platform with ease and efficiency. Message sending. Send personalized messages to your customers with just a few clicks. Contact management. Export and manage your contacts seamlessly. Group management. Create, export, and manage groups with ease. Chatbot creation. Design custom chatbots to automate your customer interactions and boost engagement. By using WassupBot, you'll be able to save time and increase productivity, enhance customer engagement and experience, boost your WhatsApp marketing efforts, and grow your business. You may check positive reviews of our customers who use this extension to grow in their business. Ready to take your WhatsApp marketing to the next level? Install the extension for WassupBot today and discover a smarter way to connect with your customers.